to visualize and analyze data through a matrix. Advanced features. Explore advanced features for deeper data analysis. Tab 3, Chart Settings. You can manage your categories, change the labels, or delete them here. Let's do a demo test. The columns hidden in this tab contain formulas to support the entire functioning of the template. Therefore, we do not recommend deleting columns or rows. Introduction. We'll explore how Task Priority Tracker can assist you in managing your tasks by distinguishing between important and urgent activities. This tool is available for achieving long-term goals while addressing immediate deadlines and emergencies, defining important and urgent tasks. Firstly, let's understand the difference between important and urgent tasks. Important tasks contribute significantly to your long-term goals. They may not have immediate deadlines, but are crucial for your overall success. Urgent tasks, on the other hand, demand immediate attention due to imminent deadlines or potential negative consequences if not addressed promptly. The combination of importance and urgency creates 4 quadrants in the Eisenhower matrix, guiding your task prioritization: important and urgent, important and not urgent, not important and urgent, not important and not urgent. Tag 2, Task Priority Tracker. To effectively implement Eisenhower's priority matrix, consider these tips. Insert the tasks. First, insert the tasks and the respective notes. A column denotes is optional. Please select a category from the drop-down menu. If you want to customize the categories, go to the sheet settings and replace, delete, or add more categories. The third step is to classify the tasks. Your tasks classify the task's importance and urgency using the drop-down menu, yes or no. The priority column will automatically return the priority of the task. Your tasks have been classified and accounted for. Now select the status of your tasks. Choose the status from the drop-down menu, in progress or complete. The Eisenhower matrix has been fully completed, using dates to control deadlines and ensure task efficiency. Let's talk about deadlines. Dates play an essential role in controlling deadlines as they are closely related to the efficiency of tasks. The task's start date is optional. The deadline for completing the task is mandatory. The deadline is linked to the today's V's deadline chart, so you will have control over tasks whose deadline is today. When changing the status from in progress to completed, control the task's completion date. The optional task end date column includes only dates that exceed the deadline column. Chart explanation. Category distribution. Tasks are grouped by categories. It allows you to see the weight of each category relative to the tasks. Task priority breakdown shows the classification of tasks by priorities: high, medium, low, not applicable, and unclassified for tasks that have been written but not yet classified. After classifying the priority, tasks are organized in respective columns: do now, schedule, delegate, delete. Today's deadline. This section displays the percentage of tasks with today's deadline that have been completed, as well as the number of completed tasks out of the total number of tasks with today's deadline. Task Process Control. This panel with the life process path helps understand the whole process. How many tasks are in the in-progress state? How many tasks have been completed in total? Completed tasks are classified as on time or overdue, and their process ends in the Total panel. Graph of tasks completed on time versus total efficiency performance indicators. This chart displays the percentage of task efficiency based on performance indicators. It only takes into account tasks that were completed within the deadline and excludes any that were completed after the scheduled deadline. Additionally, it shows the number of tasks that were completed within the deadline compared to the total number of tasks. Your priority list will show tasks that are in progress with an arrow icon next to them, while completed tasks will have a check symbol next to them and will be displayed in grey font. In these counter sections, we see the number of all tasks completed by the total number of tasks in the respective lists. One of Eisenhower's priority matrix comprises tasks that are both urgent and important. These tasks require immediate attention and should be prioritized to prevent potential crises or negative consequences. Focusing on Quadrant 1 helps individuals manage deadlines, emergencies, and critical matters efficiently, allowing them to stay on top of their responsibilities and maintain productivity. Quadrant 2 of Eisenhower's priority matrix consists of tasks that are important but not urgent. These tasks are often overlooked or postponed due to their lack of immediate pressure. However, investing time and effort into Quadrant 2 activities, such as long-term planning, relationship building, and skill development, can lead to significant personal growth, increased efficiency, and proactive problem-solving. Quadrant 3 of Eisenhower's priority matrix consists of tasks that appear urgent but are not truly important in the grand scheme. These tasks often arise from distractions, interruptions, or other people's priorities. It's crucial to recognize and minimize Quadrant 3 activities to prevent them from overshadowing more critical tasks and goals. By doing so, you can prioritize your time and energy on tasks that align with your long-term objectives and bring meaningful results. Quadrant 4 of Eisenhower's priority matrix includes tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These tasks are typically time-wasting activities, such as excessive social media browsing, mindless entertainment, or unnecessary meetings. By identifying and minimizing Quadrant 4 tasks, you can free up valuable time and energy to focus on more meaningful and productive endeavors, increasing your overall productivity and effectiveness. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about this or any other digital product, feel free to contact us.